like
weird
did a
looks.
double take. He like looked at me, then looked back, and he was like,
He has a yellow car, so he has no place to say anything.
"What is that supposed to mean?"
You can't judge.
I wanted a yellow car.
I know, but if your car is like pissed yellow, you can't judge anybody. And you. It's raining, and I don't like it, and I'm getting weird looks. Stay single if you're a girl, and guys, learn some manners if you want girls.
If you make a commitment, stick with it. Don't go out to eat instead of going to a field band show.
Yes. Commitment is key in a relationship, a successful relationship. Maybe that's why none of mine work out.
Oh my God! You be my princess and I'll be your toad. I'll follow behind you on Rainbow Road. Protect you from red shells wherever we go. I promise. No one will touch us if
So I'm at Moe's, and they have one of these.
You're recording?
Okay, just thought I'd share that with you guys.